Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you how to fix a waistband on a denim trousers. So this is my waistband. I'll iron it and then we can get started. So now that my band is ironed, this is the right side and the top stitch part is the wrong side. So now let's pin it to my trousers. So we're starting with the wrong side of the fabric first. Wrong side facing wrong side. The top stitch part is the wrong side. So now I'm joining the two together and I'll pin it. I'm going to pin it down like this. So after pinning, we'll go to the side seams. We'll ensure that both side seams are matching one another. Ensure that both sides match and then we pin it down. So it must match. As you can see, both of them are matching. Then I spread it a bit and then I pin it down. I ensure I pin every side that is open down so that when I'm stitching it, there will be no issue. To the next side, the side seams must match the other side seam
before joining the other sides. So
these two they must match. As you can see, they are both matching each other.
So the two lines.
And then we pin it just like this. You pin it like this. I like to confirm by checking the bottom and then the on top. As you can see, both of them match. And then
I go on to match the rest
of the seams. As you can see, there's a line right there on the fabric. My hand is covering it, but that is the center back. I also ensured that the center back matches each other. As you can see, it is well fitted even while it's pinned. So now I'm going to go to the other side. I'm joining the last side of the center front. I'll match it, then pin it down. And then I pin the rest of the sides down. Now I can take it to the sewing machine and stitch it down. So we start sewing from here, the allowance that we put on the fabric. And now I'm going to remove all the pins. Ensure that all pins are removed. let's check the inside. As you can see, the inside looks very neat. I'm just trimming off some excess threads. So you can see how neat the inside looks. It's giving, right? So now I'm trimming down the edge of the center front to reduce the bulkiness, so when I'm sewing it's not going to affect the sewing machine, because it's a denim fabric and we all know denim can be bulky if we don't trim the excesses. So we're starting with this now, the right side. As you can see, we have 1/2 inch allowance. We're going to fold it in using this line as a guide. We're going to use to cover up the line. So let's start. So I'm going to fold it in like this. After folding it, I'm now going to pin it down. So yeah, I've pinned it down. After this, we're going to move to the next side. We're going to make sure that both side seams match each other. The two must match each other. I hope you can see it. Must ensure that the lines are following each other, as you can see in this video right now. So then we're going to pin it down. After pinning it down, we'll fold in the rest and pin them down too. Ensure that it is well folded and pin down any open areas to avoid issue when sewing it on your machine, and also ensure that it is covering the line. Then we move to the center back. So we're going to merge the side seams together again. We're going to ensure that they match one another. As you can see, I hope you can see it, that the two are matching up, and then I'll pin it down. After pinning it down, I'm going to ensure that I match the center back to each other. As you can see, it is notched. I'll fold it in and then pin it down. Then I'll pin the rest of the seams, and then we take it to the sewing machine and sew it up. Anyways, I hope this tutorial was self-explanatory, and if there's anything you don't understand, you can drop it down in the comments. Feel free to ask questions. So right now I'm still pinning everything down and ensuring that it's well secured. One thing I also like to do is to check if both my center fronts are the same height, so when I put the button, one side won't be bigger than the other. So right now I'm currently checking if both of them are the same height. As you can see, they are the same height, and yeah, so I'm going to pin the rest after confirming, and then we take it to the sewing machine to sew. And that is all for this tutorial. As you can see, both the inside and the outside of the band is neat. So yeah, that is everything, guys. See you on my next video. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.